Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this big box. I wonder what it's. So this needs cutting. Cut. I wonder what is this. Oh, what's that?
Careful not to.
So I'm careful. I'm careful. So let's see what's this. Oh, I can see it now. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, look at this guy. It's portable stove. So can we bring this when we do barbecue in the park? Or we go in the forest? We bring this. It's portable. So it's like a attaché case. So there's a handle in here. So let's open it and see. So this is very useful, guys, because preparing for something.
Power cuts.
Preparing if
We've
there
been
is.
told that we are likely to get 3-hour power cuts per day
When
Coming.
will be?
coming soon, probably in a month or two.
Are you sure? It's not definite yet, but you
It's
already
not.
bought
It's not
it.
definite, but when it becomes definite, then these sort of things will be sold out. Well,
Oh, that's why
best
you
to
bought
prepare
it.
in advance.
So you bought it already. So that means
Because
you
we're going.
already got it.
If we do get the power cuts, there'll be no gas, no electricity, nothing.
So
And this is a portable gas
yeah.
stove,
So this is just to slide it there and then there. Oh wow! Let me put it here and then take it out. Oh, it's a bit light. So
you don't do it upside down because they might pull out the attachments.
oh, the attachment. No, it's the attachment is attached.
Good.
Because I can see screws in there. This one is screws in, and this is attached to every corner there.
Yeah.
So, oh, so this is unlock. Oh, it's unlock.
I suppose you open it up and then put the gas canister in there.
Oh, so that is the button for off and on. So that is the lock mechanism. And what's this? Oh, this is for the canister.
Yeah, it
This
goes,
is for the
goes
canister.
in there. Must open up somehow. We have to read the instructions first.
Yeah.
Are there any
inserting.
instructions? No leaflet?
No, it's nothing.
Very unusual. So we have to read whatever is printed
So
on
I
there.
think there is instruction in here.
Yeah.
Do not forcibly push down on the retaining lever. So it should be here.
Yeah, don't
So
do
that
anything
is
until you read
this,
everything.
yeah. So it's just push here, because when you push it here, there is something in there that presses down.
Is there a brand name on this?
Love mud. Love, love, love. Please read the instruction leaflet instructions before using these appliances. It says instructions, so it means that the instructions should be in here.
Only what's printed on the machine itself.
Yeah, so this is made in China,
As usual.
distributed in Bennington Plastic. So why did you didn't put the picture with the canister on? For outdoor use only. Gas cartridge not include. Oh, so that is they should put the picture, is it? So okay.
Open the second package with it.
Oh, let's do this.
Hello, baby.
Okay guys, so this is the second unboxing. So let's open this because this one is have something to do.
Goes with that.
It goes with this. So now I need to open it carefully, as careful as I can. It can be, because this is a bit dangerous. It's a bit dangerous, is it, Danny?
Yeah.
You cannot mess up with this, guys. Okay. So opening like
Open sesame.
delicately.
Yeah.
So
Don't have to tear the whole thing apart. So keep it, because we have to keep them in there.
Yeah. Oh, so they put it in foil. And
Just take one out and leave the others as they are intact.
yeah.
Don't unwrap it all together.
So that is the thing, guys. So it's four in a
Or
pack.
in a pack. Yeah, they sell them in fours
Yeah.
for 8,
So it's
16,
the
etc.
label is Current King. This is butane. Butane
That's
gas.
what you use in that portable stove.
Yeah. So that was this have to use in there. So we got 8 of these. So that is the one. Let's see.
Yeah, you put one in there.
Yeah. So
I think
it
they last
fits
for
in
about
there.
an average, roughly.
So one for 1 hour.
Roughly, could be less, could be more, depending on how high or low you're using it on.
So when you cook, you have to cook very quickly. Or else you will run out of this and you have
Yeah.
to refill it again.
No, not
You
refill,
refill.
throw it away and then put
Oh,
another one in.
throw it and then put the other canister in. Not refill. But can this be refilled?
I don't
Or
think
you
so.
just have to buy the whole thing?
We just buy the whole thing.
Oh.
As far as I know, never used one before, so we
It's so
have to
tiny.
read the instructions.
Yeah. I know how to use the bigger one. You know, the bigger tank?
Yeah,
Yeah, that
that's
is.
not portable.
Yeah, that is not portable because the canister is so huge. But this is portable, and you can use it forever, anywhere. Or
Yeah,
I
as
think
long
it's very
as if you use it inside, you got to make sure you leave the windows open.
for ventilation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
otherwise you get poisoned to death with the fumes.
Yeah. So this is so nice. I like it. So look at the back, guys. So it
Just for emergency use in case
yeah.
of power cuts.
So it's just simple, but it's very useful. So okay, so that is the one, guys. So okay, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.